Sanibona mngane wethu. Uyabona abantu base-South Africa ngaphandle kwethu bayahlonipha by nature nje. South Africans mhlawumbe angithi le generation yethu mhlawumbe kuzobe kugcina futhi ngathi siyahlonipha thina, siyakwemukela ukuthi umholi abe nama-errors esiwabona ukuthi kodwa lama-errors akube nganasidingo uma ukhonsida ukuthi i-level of literacy kwizwe singakanani. Simbone ukuthi yabona lo mholi lo uyasibhedela and lo mholi akazubusisa ndawo, kodwa simbekezelele nje aze ayiqede i-term, aphinde futhi yena ayiphakamise athi I'm available again. I think I can still contribute. Siphinde futhi simhloniphe, simdedele. 5 years wonke engabonakalanga ukuthi wenzani, kodwa siphinde simnikeze inhlonipho nembeko ngoba sinjalo. Like mawubheka isimo upresident osesihlalweni ewu-deputy president exhumene nenkampani yase-Lonmin ye-mining, washona abantu abawu-34 esandleni sakhe. Esephethe sewumongameli kwashona abantu abaningi e-KZN ngeJuly unrest. Manje abantu base-South Africa bazwakalisa ukungenami nge-undocumented abantu bokufika basezweni. Ama-department, chapter 9 institutions aphethwe abantu bokufika. I-Human Rights Commission kuthiwa khona manje ithi izomangalela ungizwe nge-statement asenzile, but kwi-Human Rights Commission kugcwele abantu bangaphandle. Ama-university abalelwa ko-70% nama-college aphethwe abantu bangaphandle. Uhulumeni uchukuluza ama-South Africans. Angikhulumi ngama-professorship, ngikhuluma ngama-admin, i-clerk, umanager ye-department, usupervisor, abantu bangaphandle. Lecturers, abantu bangaphandle. Unless someone alethe i-evidence yokuthi e-South Africa bekho abantu abanama-qualifications. Iy'ngane zethu zifundile zihlele emakhaya, zifunda zizibe odokotela zibe unemployed because uhulumeni ufuna kudedelwa abantu bangaphandle. There is a view ethi lo nto uhulumeni uyenza ngokuphathisa u-5.2 billion awunikezwa i-United Nations, and uhulumeni ngenxa lama-security levels e-state nezinto ekumele zibe yi-public knowledge uhulumeni zenza zibe yimfihlo. I don't think ukuthi kufuneka kube i-information eyi-top secret uma ngabe amazwe eletha 5 billion ukuthi kubhekelelwe abantu babo as asylum seekers. I don't think there's anything wrong lokho. Kodwa there is everything wrong le mali if it's not accounted ukuthi iphi yenzani. Uma le mali kusho ukuthi igcina isiphuma gwenxa ebese begcina bezenzela njengoba benza nje, because it's very rare. In fact akukaze kwenzeka, angikaze ngizwe upresident evuka ekuseni ema-TV ethi tomorrow I'm calling the president of Zimbabwe, the president of Malawi, the president of Mozambique and the other nearest countries lapho kuphuma khona iy'moto ze-South Africa nalapho kungena khona abantu balamazwe ngey'ntuba beze-South Africa. Angikaze ngimuzwe edifenda i-South Africa, nathi siyahlupheka. Nami abantwana kunama-challenges. Kugraduate abantwana abawu-950,000. I-space ema-university is about 210,000. Bonke laba abanye 700 bampintshana ema-college, abanye bagcina besele kanjalo. So mina about 700,000 every year ekufuneka wenze le misebenzi ephansi yakoma-restaurant yokudiliva o-Mr D nani. So angikwazi, ngisho ngathiwa uze ngephemit amaphepha akho aqondile, awukwazi ukusuka ezweni lakho uzoba u-Mr D because nami nginey'nkinga zami. Yes, mina ngiwangwa siyaphilelana ngamabhizinisi. Uma ngabe ukuthi khona usomabhizinisi e-South Africa ufuna ukuya eZimbabwe or ufuna ukuya eNigeria, at a very corporate level e-invest imali serious, by all means akayi. NowaseNigeria mefuna ukuza la, by all means angeze. But akusho lokho ukuthi iSouth Africa kufuneka itrade ngobugebengu namazwe ase-Afrika, ingakwazi ukukhuza izinto ezi-wrong because banendlela abathola ngayo imali ngasese ezenza ukuthi bangakwazi ukukhuza. Nalo minister osesikhundleni mefuna ukukhuza usaba lo seceleni kwakhe ukuthi uzomqhubuluza athi ungakhuzi because siyadla la. Thina sazi ukuthi ominister bahola 2 million. That's what we know. And I think nase-parliament, unless lama ethics abo kuyinto engasebenzi, kodwa uma ukuthi bahamba ngaleya ethics code, imali edeclared, ama-asset abanawo akumelanga exceed isalary yabo. Njengoba nathi sijahwa uSARS nje, uma unama-assets angahlangani nempilo yakho, kumele no-minister nabo babe audited ukuthi impilo yabo bona baphila kanjani. Ngoba once kwa-bypass imithetho, sekukhona uminister ekuthiwa ushona eno-40 million, ena-70 million, ilapho kuqala ukwenzeka khona ukuthi izinto zibhede. Nanokuthi once amajele kwayinto eyenzelwa ama-civilians, ama-politicians angaphekwa umthetho, lelo zalisoze lalunga. It doesn't matter ukuthi kuzanywa kangakani, ngeke lize lilunge because laba bantu noma beyi-400 but they control everything yezwe. So ngisho ukuthini nge-close, uma ngabe-ke lempi le, njengoba nje umongameli singakaze sizwe unegama elithi xenophobia, alikhuza zonke iy'nsuku la, no Minister of International Relations bakhuza i-xenophobia. Xenophobia is the same as South Africa. Stop harassing foreigners. But angikaze ngizwe labo minister bekhuza abantu bangaphandle. Angisazi singesegama lokukhuza abantu bangaphandle ukuthi sithini. Angikaze ngizwe i-Human Rights Commission ibuza abantu bangaphandle ukuthi why beshaya amaphoyisa ase-South Africa mayebamisa emgwaqeni. Angikaze ngizwe i-Human Rights Commission nama-ambassadors akhona ebuza ukuthi why nenza i-human trafficking e-South Africa, why nenza i-cyber security, ni-temperature nama-cyber security, nikhiphe iy'mali zabantu emabhenki e-South Africa. Why mawuze e-South Africa ushiye umfazi wakho ezweni lakho uzomethisa iy'ngane zabantu e-South Africa, wena uhlala ekhweni awufuni ukuhlala kini, ushiye umfazi emuva uzomfuna phambili. Why ukugana e-South Africa kuyi-trade? There is nothing wrong mawugana umfazi uyamthatha uphinde naye kini, angithi. But mawusugana sekuyindlela yoku-trade ukugana, kuyindlela ye-nationality ukuthi uthole ubuzo base-South Africa ne-permit. I don't think ukuthi it's a process e-right leyo. If this is a correct process, then uHome Affairs akayi-revamp i-process. Kucace ukuthi wonke umuntu ofuna ukugana, ofuna uze e-South Africa akaganwe e-South Africa ezothola ubuzo. But mina ngiyazi indoda engena-pride efuna ukuhlala kuboka mfazi. Thina sinayo leyo nto ngala. So-ke manje uma ngama-South African ethi-ke ngomhla ka-30 June sesikhathele ngoba abaholi bese siyabahlonipha, abafuni ukuhlonishwa, nabo abalihloniphi izwe, basebenzela abantu bangaphandle ngoba bona babheka la khona imali kunokuthi babheke inhlalo yezwe ne-order ukuthi iy'ngane ziyasebenza, izwe line-growth economically, izwe liya-repair-wa, liyanakwa, maintenance yenziwa ukuze abantu bacoshe lapha nalapha. Sizozithathela thina-ke manje izwe siyiqondisele. Kusho ukuthi unesibalo-ke upresident ne-cabinet lakhe ne-parliament ukuthi uzokhipha amasosha ayobulala abantu, because bekufuneka asuke umongameli athi nginizwile ma-South Africans, awuzela ku-TV nje behlala enza, nginizwile, ngicela nisinikeze i-chance, nisinikeze 3 months silungise lento, ngizokhuluma nobongameli balamazwe, abantu baphindele emuva emakhaya abo. Sicela ninikeze uhulumeni i-chance njengoyena o-direct izinto. Uthule, uzothula until umhla ka-29 akhipha amasosha ukuthi asibulale labo abazobe beqhubeka ne-xenophobia. Because yiphi enye indlela yokubaphusha ukuthi bahambe ngaphandle ukuthi ubaphushe, ngoba phela bayatsheliwe bahambe, kusho ukuthi bazophushwa. La bazobe baphusha-ke bazodliwa inhlamvu. That's the problem esinayo.